today is Monday and we are going to School of Orlin to do admission for her school first standard. Dada.
Hi, good morning.
Orlin, say hi. Why you are not in mood? So pupunta tayo doon guys sa Sheriff sa Don Bosco. Kasi
But we have to visit them.
yeah, we will going. My will come also.
No, I said first we visit.
Yeah. So there's a church. There's a mosque. So ayan guys, see you na lang later doon sa Don Bosco. This is the Tambur place. Oh. It's a truck. Yeah, it?
Another truck.
It's another truck.
Hi, Elaine. Your school?
Nandito na kami sa school, first standard, Don Bosco. So ayan guys, tapos na kami in-interview kami, or si Orlin, in-interview ni Father. Kasi yung principal nila dito guys is priest. So ayan, di na nakapag exam si Orlin kasi sabi ni Father, no need na daw sa kanya na mag-exam or magsulat. So direct na siya sa sa application. Wait.
तो आता तो ये 5,400 प्लस म्हणजे इतले येतात ओके 8,300 आणि इतले ओके
Fish nila guys, may aquarium. Ayan, grade 1A. Ayan, doon yata yung grade 1. Ito yung kanyang school. Hanggang doon sa taas. So, yung room yata ni Orlin dito. Dito sa baba. Ito yan guys. Oh. Ayan. Oh, may grade 1A and B. So, ito. Ito. Ayan. Yung school. Ay, yung school. Ewan ko lang akong ito ba. Hindi ko rin alam. Kasi may may grade 1B tsaka grade 1A.
Like, you're my friend next to me.
Wait.
We're in the third floor. I need to go.
सिस्टर्स कॉन्वेंट कॉन्वेंट सिस्टर्स
Orlin, slowly. No need. Marka. No. Staff room.
फिजिक्स
Physics laboratory. 12. Hanggang 12 guys.
बायोलॉजी
Biology laboratory. Ulit na ngayon. Okay. So, ayan guys. Tapos na kaming magpa-enroll kay Orlin. Then,
Going to go to the now because I will go.
tinapos naming magpa-enroll.
Elaine, you like the school?
Yeah.
School is good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Excited?
Huh?
Excited?
Yeah.
Now holiday, you can enjoy one more month after school start.
Yeah, John. In there is a 2 section I see. And the first standard grade 1, 2 section.
Oh, only 2 sections?
Yes.
A and B?
Yes.
So she's in A?
Woo! You're in A!
I'm an A.
1A.
How you know?
I saw it.
So, wow, you're A! Using
Then
classic A.
Then after that, after A, tomorrow I'm gonna go to B.
No, you need only in grade 1, 2 section A and B. And the grade 2, I think same also, 2 section. So I asked Mom
Whoa.
Shalani if in the 1 section how many
students?
student is 40 student.
40?
Yes.
1 grade?
Yes.
1 section?
Yes. So
40 plus 40, 80.
80. If it's come 40, then maximum 40. Like that. So, ayan guys. 1 section is 40 student. that chair, same in Philippines, sharing also.
We are all sharing.
Yeah, but some now I don't know, maybe single like that. But before when I was in grade elementary, means is sharing. Hi guys, tapos na kami doon sa Ulupi. Natapos na yung aming naasikaso. And
Cindy,
Orlin,
want you buy makeup set?
and Orlin got this one makeup. No, not makeup. This what you call this one?
Salon?
Beauty set.
Beauty set.
Beauty set. Fashion. Yeah, fashion beauty set. Ganda is driving there. And pauwi na kami guys. Go back. And it's too hot. Super. And it's already 2:30. Dito guys, nakapunta na kami dyan. Dito kami sa kabila. Tumaan.
It's a Hindu temple.
Hindu temple that one guys.
Place called Kunjar
Kunjar
Giri.
Giri.
Rajaka.
And then, ito guys, yung temple doon. Napakalaking statue.
It looks
Ayan.
low, but it's too much height.
Tingnan nyo ba? Doon siya sa taas, napakataas. Ay guys. Kaso hindi nyo makita. Nandun. Forest na siya. Before no house, no? Kasi dito kami guys sa kabila.
The water.
Jungle na ito. Shortcut. Papuntang bahay.
Here there is a cage. This one is the cage.
Wait, ayun na guys. Oh,
There
yung,
is tiger. Here we go.
yung temple na yun. Ayun. Ayan, yung temple na yan. Temple yan yung sa taas.
This one, no? This was the cage. Before they said there is used to be a tiger
This one?
inside.
Inside?
I don't know if it's true or not. They used to say like that.
Means inside the tiger?
That is, I don't know exactly if it's true or what. They are telling.
Like that. My story.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Look at the books only for grade 1.
Shiva.
School. Don Bosco English
Jumbo
School.
School. There's a lot of books, guys.
So guys, we have a book of Orlin.
We have a
Don Bosco. So we will show you what is in the
Daddy
bag.
says camel.
Just check what is in
It says camel, guys.
It's a camel.
We have a coloring book.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can color with this one. I'm so excited to
Oh, she have also
For name.
book labels.
look at it. This is my name.
To write what is that book name, section, what is the teacher, your name,
I'm drawing.
Like-
I'm drawing and coloring.
and lots of books she have. 1 minute. Need to show them. What is that?
English, mathematics,
Show.
environmental studies, general knowledge.
Show me. Show me what is that. This one, guys, is a textbook. Math.
No, there is
This math?
There is not math, environmental studies, general knowledge.
Okay.
This is semester 1.
Okay.
20 minus 3.
Ito na siya, guys. May mga math na.
The same this one, semester 2. Same this one.
And this one also, what is this inside? Okay. Ito guys, hindi siya mahirapan kasi nga ito ay English. So, hindi siya mahirapang magbasa at magintindi. Kasi nga English yung kanyang book. And I have that. What is that? Show me.
This one is English grammar.
English grammar. So, ito din guys is Great Fun with Grammar. Class A. Okay. Yung mga ganito. Hindi talaga siya mahirapan guys kasi nga naintindihan niya ito. Then, mayroon siyang book na, what is that? Canada?
Hindi.
Hindi? Okay, show me.
E?
E.
Here, yeah.
With E.
Your favorite. Then what? Where is it? Others.
Hindi ito guys.
This is Hindi.
Hindi book.
Hindi book.
So, mayroon silang may mga
What is this? What is that?
Writing.
pattern, right?
Mm.
So, it's easy for her to learn.
This one is computer program. They have also computer classes.
As they have. It's good, guys. Na may computer sila. Wow. Prompt?
Windows 10 and MS Office.
Ah, okay.
Computational thinking, artificial intelligence, project work, board game, coding.
Board game?
What is that inside? Ah, okay.
Dancing.
What is this?
Mouse,
So that is a mouse.
Then this
And
is what?
that is the
screen,
screen.
desktop.
Desktop.
Oh, I know this one.
What is that?
That is
What?
wait. That is keyboard.
Yes.
That's keyboard.
This is coloring drawing.
Ito naman yung coloring book
This
niya.
is drawing book. Can I draw?
Not
So,
now,
ito,
when
yung
school
kanyang-
starts that time.
This one is for the computer. This one is Hindi. This is grammar. And this is English, Mathematics, Environmental Studies, General Knowledge.
This is
Then,
semester 2, this is semester 1.
semester 1. Ito, semester 2. Same.
Coloring art book.
And this is the art of drawing and coloring. Yes. This is the, the level. So, ito
Level.
din. Level. Mayroon sila.
This
Ah,
cartoons,
ulit na.
they have cartoons.
Sisi, look.
How different.
Wow.
Wait, Mama. See.
Yes.
What is that?
You should put another eye.
I like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Like this. Only one photo.
What is that? Only one. Ah. No. Okay, it's umbrella.
Hey, there is a flag. Hey, butterfly.
Butterfly.
Where is flag?
Wait.
Where is flag?
Just wait. Ship.
Where is
Duck.
flag?
Duck.
Where is flag?
1 minute. Car.
Car.
Cupcake. Yummy cupcake.
Flag. God, Orlin.
Which flag?
Flag. This is what?
Okay.
This is what?
Okay,
Which
wait.
flag?
Orange, white, green, blue.
Blue is in the middle only.
Yeah, blue.
So this is the umbrella, rainbow.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.